Hi guys, I'm back with another video. Today I will have a tour of my interior example of my cozy kitchen. Like and subscribe for more vids like this. Okay, so this is my off-camera build. Let's take a fly around just in case lol. Some cute butterflies I added to my kitchen, it's just for details. Next we have some cute hanging plants on walls and hanging wisteria. And some floor cabinets, and inside is plates and crockery. And a sink for you to wash hands. And a stove for you to cook dishes. Hi for sticking by with me. I hope you have a wonderful time. See you guys in the next video.